Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 second sum. Let's see the question. Find the sums given below. So we need to find the sum. Sum means we need to find SN. Here in the first question it's given as 7 plus 10 by 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 up to 84. So we know the first number, we can find D, and we also know the last number. So we can use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. But here we don't know the number of terms. So we can't count the number of terms. N is not given. In that case, if we need to find n, always take the last number as An. So if I take An to be 84, if I know the last number placed in which number, then we can find the total number of elements. So if we find the last number position, we can find the total number. So I am writing An to be 84. We know A to be 7. D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 10 1 by 2. We can take this to over improper fraction, which is 10 2s are 20, then add, multiply, then add. 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2. With the denominator we need to write 21 by 2 minus 7. Here taking LCM, just if the denominator is 1, just multiply the number. 21 minus 7 2s are 14. We have taken LCM. So 7 by 2 is my D. We need to find An. An, substituting the values of A and D, we can find N. We know the formula An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 84. In that we know A is equal to 7 plus N minus 1, we don't know. D is 7 by 2 is equal to 84. Always bring the positive or negative number to this side. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. So this becomes 77. Here it is in multiply. I want to bring it to this side. So my numerator will go to the denominator and the denominator will go to the numerator. That is, I need to multiply it with reciprocal. If we need to bring a fraction to the equal to that side, right side, we need to take it as reciprocal. Here we can cancel. So n minus 1 is equal to 11 2s are 22. N is equal to, if I bring 1 to this side, it becomes plus 1. So 22 plus 1 will become 23. So n is equal to 23. So n is equal to 23. We can find now S23. S23, as I said before, n by 2 into A plus L formula we are going to use for Sn. If S23 is given, so S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into A is 7, L is 84. Just add 7 and 84. 23 by 2 into 91. We can't cancel it because it doesn't go in two tables. It is an odd number, so just multiply 91 into 23. Here 3 1s are 3, 9 3s are 27, 2 1s are 2, 9 2s are 18. Now 3 9 2093 divided by 2. 2093 divided by 2. We can't leave this as it is because they have given one number in mixed fraction in the question. We need to submit the answer in mixed fraction. So dividing 2093 with 2. So we want a quotient and a remainder. So 2 1s are 2. So 0. 4s are 8. Sorry, 9 8. Remainder 1, bringing this 13 down, 3 down, so 6 are 12. Now my remainder becomes 1. So Q R by D. This is the way we need to write it in mixed fraction. Quotient here is 1046, remainder by the divisor, that is 2. 1 by 2 is the S23 answer. This is the answer for the first sum. That's all with the first sum. We'll move on to the second one. In the second one, it is given as, the question as 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10. The same way, we don't know n. For finding n, always write the last number equal to 10. Before that, a is equal to 34, d equal to a2 minus a1, which is 32 minus 34. With the greater, be careful with the sign. Here, if I subtract, I get 2 with the greater number sign of minus an equal to 10. Now, substitute the an formula. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, a is 34 plus n minus 1, which we don't know. D is minus 2 is equal to, the last number is 10. I am bringing 34 to this side. So, n minus 1 minus 2 is equal to, if I bring 34 to this side, it comes as a subtraction. So, 10 minus 34, here it becomes minus 24. Bringing this minus 2, it is in multiply, it comes to a divide. It is not minus 2, it is, we need to check how it is with n. With n, it is in multiply, so it comes as a divide. This get cancelled and becomes 12. So, n minus 1 is equal to 12, then n will be equal to, if 1 goes to that side, it becomes plus 1. So, n is equal to 13 for the sum. Now, we have found n. I am going to find Sn. I will write it here so that you can see both at the same time. So, Sn is equal to, as I said before, n by 2 into a plus l. Here we know n now, 13 by 2, a is 34. Here a is 34 and d is the last number, sorry, l is the last number. Now this becomes 13 by 2 into 44. If I cancel, it becomes 22. So 13 into 22 we need to multiply. Into 22 are 286. So S13 equal to 286 is the final answer for this sum. That's all with the second one. We'll move on to the third one. In the third one, they have given the question to be minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 up to plus minus 320. Sorry, 230. Now here a is equal to minus 5, d equal to a2 minus a1. Here a2 is minus 8, minus of this minus I have written with a1 is minus 5. So minus into minus will become plus. So minus 8 plus 5, which is nothing but minus 3. So d equal to minus 3, a equal to minus 5. We know an equal to minus 230. Now substitute an formula to find the number of terms n. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 230. A we know to be minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 is equal to minus 230. If I bring 5 to this side, it becomes plus 5 because here it is minus 5. So minus 230 plus 5, this becomes minus 225. If I subtract this, I get minus 225, and bringing minus 3 to this side, it is in multiply, so it comes as a divide. It becomes minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 75. Then n is equal to 75 plus 1, because minus 1 will travel this side to plus 1. So n is equal to 76. We need to find Sn. I'll write it on the side so that you can see both. But in the exam, you need to write it on the downstairs. After this, we need to continue with finding Sn. So here Sn formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l, because we know the last number. N is 76 by 2 into a is minus 5, l is minus 230. Just add this 2. Here minus into minus will become plus, and here we need to and this becomes 235. Sorry, minus minus, we are adding and writing the greater number sign of minus 235. Now you can cancel this 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. This is nothing but 38 into minus 235. Now if we multiply this 2, plus into minus will become minus. Multiplying this 2, I get 8930, which is the sum of 76 terms. So S76 is equal to minus 8930 is the final answer for this third sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.